Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you guys gorgeous fancy clutches designs. That's gorgeous hand purse for party wear and for bridal. This is the fastest you will get from the market. You can take it, good variety. And if you want, you can also buy them online. Even you guys will get this from any shop. You can take this picture can with you for the idea. So by showing them will give similar designs for you. If in your market near you, for those who have a good hand purse clutches, so you can take from because they will have a lot of variety. It is our only purpose that we gave you idea. This type of hand purse and clutches is available in the market. And if you want, you can buy them on Instagram or on Facebook. What can you buy from many such a channel? I hope you guys have understood this detail of mine. If you guys liked my video, then please like and but also share with your friends, family members. And if you are new to our channel, then most welcome, and subscribe the channel also. Press the bell icon with this it will happen that you will continue to get notification of my every new video. So stay connected with us, and to watch more beautiful videos like this, please visit our channel. Till then, give us permission. We meet you guys in next video. So keep watching and Allah Hafiz.